Shabdam, the second part, the next part. That is the actual, depiction of the story. So Katakamukha on the right. Sarasi Jakshulu. So you get 2 steps with both the hand movements. Jalaka, third step is coming together. Made. So left jump and right back. Do it one more time. Sarasi Jakshulu Jalaka Made. Tarunamu. Sorry, what am I doing? Tarunamunani. Now we're going to go show waves. Takkitta takkadimmi. Takkitta takkadimmi. So Pataka hasta. Tarunamunani. Chadiki jani. Now we're going to go again. Hamsa Paksha. Zarika kokalu. We're going to, now we are gopis. So we are searching. Is that Krishna somewhere around here? He better not be here. Otherwise, because we have to go take a bath and that he will do some mischief. So let's first make sure he's not here. We are searching from the left to the right. Zarika kokalu. Mellachai koni means, oh, thank God. He's not around here. Mellachai koni tarubune kuga. This is like we are taking our saris and everything down and we're getting ready for the bath. So how we do is Shikara Hasta. You're going to go Shikara Hasta upside down. You're going to go around the shoulder. Now, even though both the hands are going around the shoulder, we are concentrating towards the side that we are, where the audience is seeing us. So if I have to go to the right side, I will go like this because my face is still seen there. I'm not going to go like this because my face is hidden. But for this one, we're going to go to the left side. So we look towards the right hand. This way. And then by the time you reach your chest area, you're going to, your Shikara Hasta will turn into Pataka Hasta and then finish the 8. It is like going in an 8, come to Pushpanjali, and then you're going to put it down. So there are a few things happening. How is your movement of the hands? How is your hand going? Your hand is going kind of like an 8. Going like this, then like this, and then like this, and then coming to Pushpaputa. Okay? So, Zarika kokalu mellachai koni. You're turning. Tarubune uga chu chuntuda dharmama. Now this shows we are jumping into the river. Okay, obviously with, this is what Hasta, Utsanga. Utsanga means you are shy that no one should see you. Okay, so we'll do till here. So all the beautiful gopis come together for a swim. And then you're going to show waves. Takkitta, takkadimmi, takkitta, takkadimmi. Zarika kokalu. So Hamsa Paksha, you start from the left to the right. Zarika kokalu. And see, it is not like you just go like one like that. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? You should not be like that. You should go Zarika kokalu. Oh, thank God he's not there. Mellachai koni taruvune kuga chuchuchuntuda Utsanga dharmama. Finally, we sit down in the water. Okay. So the one where you are removing the sari. So how you're going to do is you're going to face towards you're going to go towards your right side. And then you're going to, your Shikara Hasta will go down and you are going to be facing towards your right. Even though your left is also working, you're still going to be facing towards your right. This comes. Now, the Shikara Hasta keeps pointing down. The thumb keeps pointing down. And then this changes to Pataka. Now this Pataka keeps pointing up. And then it kind of goes into like, Pataka becomes like a U shape, goes here. Again, it is still pointing up. And now it's pointing down. And then comes in the front as Pushpaputta. Okay, so it's a very fast movement. Taruvune kuga. And then you're going to put your clothes down. Taruvune kuga. It goes pretty fast. Taruvune kuga. Okay. Taruvune kuga. Chuchu chuntuda. Dharmama. Now the next part. Once you are in the river, in Utsanga, and then you go Pushpaputta down. Sarasi Jakshulu. You're showing the water is dripping down. Now we're going to go the same thing, only now you're going to look to the left side. Jalakamade. And then now you're going to play with your friends too. You're going to splash. Okay? Splash. And then they splash you back. So you're going to cover yourself. Okay? So those are all some of the play stuff that we do. Now these we have at the liberty to see, do we have that space? Because see, when you have your Arangetram or someone is singing for you, they will always sing a little bit different. So for example, if you're going to perform this, okay, and it's not the same singer that is there on the recording. There's other some singer who's going to be singing for you or whatever. And then he will probably give a little bit more notes and stuff. Okay, so then you can add a little bit more. So you can always improvise these things depending on the music. It is very much dependent on the music, the storyline. So in this one, I have to check, but I think there is space for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Kind of stop playing kind of a thing. Okay? So we can just Pataka Hasta. Sorry. So Pataka Hasta like this. Okay? I'm going to show you close up. So you're sitting Jarmama Sarasi Jakshulu. And you're doing the Alapadma, but you're doing this way. Okay, you're shaking it down, showing the dripping water. Pushpaputta. Sarasi Jakshulu Jalakamade Taruna Munani Vachadiki Jani. Zarika Kokalu. Now we're going to change the character. We are going to be Krishna. That I'll show you next class. Ananda Nartana. Kapita Hasta, both hands like that. Elbows need to be up. Now you're going to put your left hand, left Kapita down. And then you're going to sit. Give me nice diamond. But now you're going to have your right leg in Kunchita position. Okay? And then you first pose and smile. And then when the beat starts, you go 1, 2, 3. So you're looking at the same direction. And you're just going to go 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. So even though your head is moving from right, left, left, you're still looking at the same side. So right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. but your eyes are keeping in the same place. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to stand and you're going to go bang drag, bang drag, bang drag, bang drag. Okay, so from here you go bang drag, bang drag, bang drag, bang drag, bang drag. Then you go jump, Kurutamaka jump, and your Ala Padma is across each other. You're going to step, step, I mean the forehead and chest. Okay, and then you have the Mukula Hasta. One, your left Mukula Hasta is going to point down, your right Mukula Hasta is going to be pointing up, and then you're going to turn the Mukula into an Ala Padma and take a big U and then bring it back to the Ganapati pose. So what's happening? Left Mukula down, right Mukula, mouth is up, turning that into Ala Padma, going down, coming up into Ganapati. Okay, so jump, step, step, Mukula Hasta. So again, we are going to go in the same position where we have the diamond, but our right leg is in Kunchita position. Mukula down, Mukula up, going like this into Ala Padma, coming back to Ganapati. Then we go hit, hit, tai, hit, hit, tai. And then we go bang, step, back, bang, step, back. Okay, so while you're doing bang, step back, it is right bang, sorry, right bang, right step back, left bang, left step back. Got it? Okay, now with the music till here. Elbows up.
आनंदनर्तन गणपति भावये आनंदनर्तन गणपति भावये परमानंदनर्तन गणपति भावये परमानंदनर्तन गणपति भावये परमानंदनर्तन